Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly while you feel stuck in a loop? You visualize your goals. You say your affirmations. You think positive thoughts every single morning. Yet, your bank account stays the same. Your relationships don't change. Your stress levels remain high. It feels like you are shouting into a void. Most people call this bad luck or say that manifestation is just a myth. But the truth is much more exciting. The problem isn't your luck. The problem is your brain chemistry. You are trying to change your life using only 5% of your mind. In this video, we are going to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern neuroscience. I am going to show you the 7 levels of neural manifestation. This is a journey from a single subconscious thought to a solid physical reality. We are moving away from magical thinking. Instead, we are looking at how your gray matter actually reshapes itself to fit a new future. You will learn how to flip a switch in your nervous system. This switch turns off your survival mode and turns on your creator mode. It is time to stop wishing for a better life and start wiring one. We will explore how your thoughts become chemicals. We will see how those chemicals become habits. Finally, we will see how those habits create your world. If you stay with me until the very end, I have a special gift for you. I will give you a specific 7-step daily ritual. This is a practical roadmap you can start tonight. It is designed to target each level of your brain's growth. By the time the screen goes black, you won't just have information. You will have a biological plan to transform who you are. Let's begin at level 1, the Delta seed. Let's dive into the core of the transformation. We are starting at the deepest part of your mind. Level 1, the Delta seed. This happens in the slowest brain waves. Most of your day is spent in beta waves. That is your active, thinking mind. But you cannot plant a new seed in a busy mind. You must reach the delta and theta states. These occur just before you fall asleep or right after you wake up. This is when your subconscious door is wide open. At this level, a single thought is like a seed in wet soil. It doesn't have to fight your logic. It just sinks in. To manifest here, you don't think. You simply be. You feel the quiet pulse of your goal as if it is already a part of your DNA. Level 2, the neurochemical signature. Now the seed begins to sprout. A thought alone is weak. It needs fuel. That fuel is emotion. When you imagine your goal, your brain produces chemicals. If you feel joy, you get dopamine. If you feel peace, you get serotonin. Your brain does not know the difference between a memory and a vision. It thinks the event is happening right now. You are literally bathing your cells in the future. This labels the thought as a priority. Your brain says, this matters. Keep this. Without this chemical hit, your manifestation is just a daydream that your brain will delete by lunchtime. Level 3, synaptic pruning. This is the part no one talks about. To grow something new, something old must die. Your brain has old wires for your old self. These are the wires for doubt, fear, and I can't. As you focus on your new chemical signature, the old wires lose their power. This is called pruning. It can feel uncomfortable. You might feel like you are losing your identity. That is a good sign. It means the old you is losing its grip. You are clearing the land so the new neural forest can grow. You are making room for a version of yourself that can actually handle the success you want. Moving forward, we are halfway through the transformation. Now we see how these internal changes start to bleed into the outside world. Level 4, the RAS filter. Your brain has a gatekeeper. It is called the Reticular Activating System, or the RAS. Its job is to filter out millions of bits of data every second. It only lets in what you tell it is important. Before this level, you were blind to opportunities. They were right in front of you, but your RAS blocked them. Now that you have changed your neural signature, the gatekeeper opens. Suddenly, you notice the right book on a shelf. You overhear the perfect conversation. You see a business idea in a common problem. Your brain is finally tuned to the frequency of your goal. Level 5, Neural Coherence. This is where your heart and your head start talking to each other. Most people live in a state of incoherence. Their head wants wealth, but their heart feels lack. Their brain wants health, but their body feels fatigue. This creates a noise in your nervous system. But at level 5, the signal becomes clear. Your thoughts and feelings match perfectly. Scientists call this a flow state. When you are coherent, you stop doubting. You stop overthinking. You move with a strange sense of certainty. You aren't trying to manifest anymore. You are simply acting out of a new state of being. Level 6, Myelin Strengthening. This level is about the physical hardwiring of your brain. Think of your new thoughts like a dirt path in the woods. If you walk it once, it disappears. But if you walk it every day, it becomes a paved road. This is the ritual. Every time you repeat your new habit, your brain wraps the nerve in a fatty substance called myelin. Myelin makes the signal travel faster. It makes the new you automatic. You don't have to try to be confident or disciplined anymore. It is just who you are. This is the stage where the manifestation becomes a permanent part of your biology. Level 7, Biological Integration. This is the final stage. This is physical reality. At this level, the internal world and the external world become one. Your environment literally shifts to match your new neural structure. Because your habits have changed, your results have changed. You are no longer manifesting a goal, you are living it. People see you differently because your body language and energy have shifted. Your bank account reflects your new actions. Your health reflects your new choices. You have successfully moved a thought from the invisible delta seed into a solid 3D experience. Now, we bring it all together. Here is the practical 7-step ritual to turn this science into your daily reality. Step 1, the morning seed. Do not reach for your phone when you wake up. Your brain is in a theta state for the first few minutes. Close your eyes. Visualize your goal as a finished fact. Feel the gratitude for it now. This plants the seed before your logical mind wakes up. Step 2, the emotional charge. Throughout your morning, find one reason to feel deep joy. This releases the dopamine you need to label your new thoughts. It tells your brain that your vision is high priority. Step 3, the pattern interrupt. Notice when an old, negative thought pops up. Say, cancel, out loud. This is active synaptic pruning. You are literally cutting the power to the old wires. Step 4, the RAS scan. Choose one thing related to your goal to look for today. It could be a specific color, a word, or a type of person. This trains your brain to filter for opportunities. Step 5, the coherence breath. Twice a day, stop and breathe deeply into your heart. Align your feelings with your thoughts. If you feel stressed, shift back to a state of knowing. Step 6, the bold action. Do one physical thing that the future you would do. It can be a small habit or a phone call. This builds the myelin on your new neural paths. Step 7, the evening review. Right before sleep, replay your day as if everything went perfectly. This locks in the biological integration while you dream. You now have the full map of the 7 levels. You understand that manifestation is not a mystery. It is a biological process of growth. You have moved from a subconscious seed to a physical reality. Remember, your brain is a tool. If you do not program it, the world will program it for you. Start level 1 tonight as you drift off to sleep. See the seed. Feel the growth. If this scientific approach helped you, share your new identity in the comments below. Tell us who you are becoming. By writing it down, you are taking the first step in level 6. Your transformation has already begun. I will see you in the next video.